I am especially pleased with our military's recent accomplishments against the Abu Sayyaf group. Your efforts have brought us even closer to our ultimate objective of totally crushing the violent extremism at its roots. With this, I can confidently declare that ISIS will never gain foothold anywhere in the Philippines. As your Commander-in-Chief, I salute you and give you honor to the valiant soldiers who were injured or who gave their lives during the recent military operations here in Sulu. Let me assure you that you have the government continue to prioritize your welfare and that of your family.